Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a section in Elementor. First, open your Elementor editor and locate the plus icon to add a new section. Elementor offers various predefined structures, from a single column to multiple columns, allowing you to quickly set up your layout. Once your section is in place, you can easily drag and drop any Elementor elements, like headings, text, or images, directly into the columns within that section. After adding your section, you can customize its layout to fit your design needs. Easily adjust column widths by dragging the dividers between them. You can also set a minimum height for your section, which is great for ensuring consistent spacing and responsive behavior across different devices. Furthermore, control the content width, choosing between a boxed layout or a full-width stretch to make your design truly stand out. Styling your sections is where your creativity can truly shine. You can add captivating background colors, gradients, or even full-width images to make your sections visually appealing. Use padding to create internal space around your content and margin to add external space between sections, ensuring a clean and organized look. Elementor also provides various border options, including solid lines, dashed lines, and different radii, to give your sections a polished finish. Elementor offers advanced features to elevate your sections. Experiment with motion effects like scrolling or entrance animations to add dynamic flair and engage your visitors. For truly unique designs, you can apply custom CSS directly to any section, giving you pixel-perfect control over its appearance. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to keep your space as polished as your website. These powerful tools help you create stunning, professional web pages with ease.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.